Welcome everyone to the complete project of pneumonia detection using Resnet50. So this course consists of different modules. In each module we are going to discuss about the concepts like how to import the packages, how to import the dataset, and how to train the dataset with Resnet50. At last we are going to discuss about how to predict the outcome of our project. So this course is very useful for the students who are trying to create pneumonia detection using Resnet50 for the first time. So let's get started. Welcome everyone to the first class. We are going to discuss about our project pneumonia detection using Resnet50. For our project, you have to download the dataset from the description. So it contains two folders. The first one is the normal folder and then second one is the pneumonia folder. So each folder contains dataset. So you have to download that dataset from the description. So after that you have to open that folder with the VS Code. So after opening the VS Code you have to type your project name. So you have to type your own project name. I'm going to type detect.ipynb. So we are going to create Jupyter notebook for our project. So for that you need to install the extension in the VS Code for the Jupyter notebook. So after creating the Jupyter notebook you have to select the kernel. I'm going to select Python 3.9. So now we are going to discuss about what are all the important packages we need to import for our project. So first you need to import the pandas package, and then you have to import the numpy for numerical calculations. So after that you need to import OS for reading your dataset. So after that you need to import fast AI package. So you have to type from fast AI. So if you create any project based on medicals, you can import the package fast AI. It will be very useful for medical based projects. So and then you have to import fast AI dot vision dot all import all. We need to import all the packages. For that you have to type star. So after that you need to import path library for importing your dataset path. So you need to import fast AI, third package, metrics, import error rate. So these are all the packages you need to import for your project. So you have to run this code. So you can see all the packages are successfully imported. So if you have any errors like module not found error, you have to install that module. For that you have to type pip install and then module name. It will remove the error. So in the next class we are going to import our dataset. Welcome everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about how to import our dataset for our project. For that we are going to type the variable x equal to, inside the quotation you have to type the path. So you have to copy the path and then you have to paste the path in the x variable. So after that you need to type path equal to path of x. So it will be our dataset path. And then you have to type path.ls of. So it will list all the files in your path. So you can see the error. So you have to change the backward slash to forward slash. All backward slash must be converted to forward slash. And then you have to run the code. So you can see all the files are listed in your path. Normal and then pneumonia. So these two are our dataset. So we have successfully imported our dataset. Welcome everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss about image classification. So we need to classify the images, whether it is normal or pneumonia. We need to classify that. So for that, we need to create a variable data block. We are going to create a data block of. So inside the data block, we are going to classify the images. So you have to type blocks equal to, there are two blocks. We are going to create two blocks. Images block and then category block. So images block contains all the images. Category block contains two category, normal and then pneumonia. So we need to create two block, images block and then category block. So after that we need to get the items. So you have to type get items equal to get image files. We need to get the image files from the folder. So after that you need to type splitter. We need to split the images. Random splitter off. Valid. .2. So it will split the data set into train and test. So valid 20%, remaining 80% for training. So we need to type get y equal to parent label. So there are two labels, normal and then pneumonia. Type item tfms equal to resize. We need to resize the images for the training 224. So image size will be 224. And then you have to type batch fms tfms equal to augment transforms. So after that you need to run the code. So we have successfully classified our images. We have created the data block for the image classification. First we have created two blocks, image block and category block. After that we are getting the images and then we are splitting the images for the training and validation. And then we have created the labels for the data set, pneumonia and normal, that's the label. And then we are resized the images 224 and then we are setting the batch. Welcome everyone. In today's class we are going to train our data set using Resnet50. So before that we need to set the batch size. For that you have to type the variable dls equal to data block dot data loader. We need to load our data path, comma bs is nothing but batch size equal to 64. You can type your own batch size based on your GPU performance. So you can type 8, 16, 32, 64 or 128. Based on your GPU performance you can type. After that you need to type dls.showBatch. So we need to find the batches. Maximum number 9, comma figure size. So we need to show the batch size like normal and pneumonia. So what are all the pneumonia batches and what are all the normal batches? We need to find that. For that only you have to type show batch and then run the code. So after that you can see the batch of images, normal images and then pneumonia images are separated. So now we are going to train our model. You have to type learn equal to vision learner of DLS and then Resnet50 we are going to use the model Resnet50 and then metrics equal to error rate. So it shows the error rates, and then we need to train our model. You have to type the epoch learn.fine-tune of. You have to type the epoch. You can type your own epoch based on your GPU performance. So I'm going to type 10. There will be 10 epochs for training my dataset. So you can type 30, 50 or 100 based on your own choice. So you can see the training process is started. Now I am going to use Google Colab for training my dataset because my laptop takes more amount of time for training the dataset. For that only I am going to use Google Colab. So because Google Colab contains free GPU for training our dataset. So it will take less amount of time compared to my laptop. So you can see all epochs are completed very fast. Now we have successfully trained our model in the Google Colab. In the next class, we are going to complete our project. Welcome everyone. In today's class, we are going to complete our pneumonia detection project using Resnet50. So we are going to predict any one of the image, whether it is normal or pneumonia. For that, we are going to type the image path. You have to select any one of the images for prediction. So I am going to select normal image, and then you have to copy the path, and then you have to paste the path inside the quotation. So after that, we are going to use that image for the prediction. So you have to type image pill image dot create of image path. So it will be useful for prediction of our image. So after that, we are going to predict. For that, you have to type predict class equal to learn dot predict of image. So after that, you need to print the prediction. So after that, you have to run the code. So you can see our model is successfully predicted normal. So you can see normal is successfully predicted. I am going to use the image from the pneumonia. I am going to run the code. You can see pneumonia. So our model is successfully trained using the Resnet50. Pneumonia is successfully detected. Again, I am going to check the normal image and then run the code. You can see normal. So that's it guys, we have successfully created our project pneumonia detection using Resnet50. So if you want to download my code, it will be present in the description. So let's see you in the next course taught by me. Thank you.